ఆదిదేవ నమస్తుభ్యం ప్రసీద మమ భాస్కర. దివాకర నమస్తుభ్యం ప్రభాకర నమోస్తుతే. Prostrations to Adideva. Please be gracious to me, He Bhaskara, the one who shines. My salutations to you, Divakara, the maker of the day. Salutations to you, Prabhakara, the maker of the light. Saptashvarathamaroodam prachandam kashyapatmajam shvetapadmadharam devam tam suryam pranamamyaham. Prostrations to Suryadeva, who is mounted on a chariot driven by 7 horses, who is always energetic, who is the son of sage Kashyapa. Salutations to you. Suryopasana, worship of Surya, is very ancient tradition of Sanatana Dharma. We can find its origins in the Vedas, in the Itihasas and Puranas. There are several mantras on Surya Bhagavan in all the 4 Vedas. Suryopasana is also part of Sandhya Vandana. But why is Suryopasana prescribed by Shastras? Because Bhaskara is a Pratyaksha Daivam. He is considered by the Shastras as Karma Sakshi, Jagat Chakshuhu. He is the witness of every karma, every action done by every living being on this earth. He is a special manifestation of Bhagavan Vishnu. Paramatma, Sriman Narayana, preserves this world through Surya. Through him, Bhagavan controls time, maintains order, and provides sustenance for the world. Sun provides the light and energy to the world to survive. Without the sun, we cannot live even for a day. Bhagavan Vishnu, as the Antaryami of Surya Devata, gives us light and energy. Surya is also the Devata for good health. Our Shastras declare, Arogyam Bhaskaradicchet, Shriyamichet Utasanat, Ishwarat Jnanamanvichet, Mokshamichet Janardanat. Arogyam Bhaskaradicchet. If you want good health, you have to worship the Lord in the form of sun. As Bhagavan Vishnu takes the form of Surya to give energy and light to the world and provide sustenance, he is also called Surya Narayana. Also, the Shastras teach us how to meditate on Bhagavan. Dhyeyas sada savitrumandala madhyavarti Narayanaha sarasijasana sannivishtaha Keyuravan Makarkundalavan Kiriti Hari Hiranmayavapuhu Dhrita Shankachakraha. One should meditate on the glorious form of Narayana situated at the center of the Surya Mandala. He is seated on an exquisitely beautiful lotus, wearing golden bracelets, majestic crown. His trademark shark-shaped earrings, effulgent, resplendent, holding the Shankha and Chakra in his hands. One must meditate on such a glorious form to purify one's mind. With this background, let me come to the specific question on Ratha Saptami. Ratha Saptami is a festival that falls on the 7th day of Shukla Paksha of the month Magha. It marks the 7th day following the sun's northerly journey, the celestial movement Uttarayana. While the sun is on a northward celestial journey from the day it moves into the Makara Rashi, our Shastras say he turns his giant chariot, the Ratha, with 12 large wheels drawn by 7 horses on the day of Ratha Saptami towards the north easterly direction. Ratha Saptami, Magha Shukla Paksha Saptami, is considered as the most auspicious day to worship Surya Bhagavan. It is on this day Kashyapa and Aditi begot Surya as their son. Surya Deva started illuminating the whole world on this Saptami Tithi. That is, it was on this day that the sun was made to manifest by Bhagavan Vishnu, the supreme creator, in order to provide energy and light to the earth and make the earth conducive for the various life forms that are to be created as part of Srishti. Having a holy bath, a dip in any Punya Tirtha at Arunodaya time, followed by Arghya Pradana, that is offering waters with prayers, and meditation on the Surya Mandala Madhyavarti, Narayana, are considered highly auspicious and rewarding acts on the day of Ratha Saptami. Srimad Bhagavatam says, the chariot of the sun god has only one wheel, which is known as Samvatsara. The 12 months are calculated to be its 12 spokes. The 6 seasons are the sections of its rim, and the 3 Chaturmasya periods are its 3-sectioned hub. Therefore, the Surya Ratha must make us contemplate on our Jivana Ratha, controlled by time, and strengthen our Manoratha, not just for Arogya and Jnana, but also for Moksha, journeying to Paramapada Vaikuntha. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.